Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Kaptechpro. So friends, on this video we will see how we can connect the SharePoint list as well as the SharePoint document library using the lookup column. So friends, let's go to our lab environment and let's start our today's video demonstration. So friends, before we proceed to our lab environment, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please do subscribe and please press the bell icon to get notified every time I release a new video. Okay friends, so now we are on our SharePoint Admin Center, and to demonstrate today's video, I have created one brand new site with the name of Lookup. Let me open this site in a new tab. Alright. So initially I will go to the site contents, and here inside the site contents I have created one list with the name of details. Let me open this list in a new tab, and I have created one document library with the name of employee data. Let me open this library as well in the new tab. So this is the list and this is the document library. So on this video basically we will connect this list as well as document library using the lookup column. So let's see how we can do that. So first of all I will go to my list, which is the name of details, and here I have three columns: employee name and the contact number, and this is the ID number, which is a unique, which I have assigned to each one of my user. And if I will go to the list settings of this list, okay, so now we are on our list settings of our list with the name of details, and as you can see there is the employee name column, which is a single line of text column. Then we have a contact, which is a number type column. ID number, again it's a single line of text column. Now we'll go to our document library, which is the name of employee data. Here you can see there are a few policies and few documents. So basically we will use these details in the document library using the lookup column, and that's how the document library as well as list will be connected with each other. So in order to do that, basically what we simply need to do, we'll click on the gear icon, we'll go to library settings, we'll click on more library settings, and here we will click on create column. After clicking on this, we'll navigate to this page. We will just give it a name of this column. Okay, and now we'll select lookup. So once you will select this lookup column, in the bracket it's already mentioned information already on this site. So on this site lookup, if there is a list, if there is any document library, you can use those the column to get the information. So which means if any document library and list resides inside this site lookup, you can really use that information on this specific document library. Now here you can mention the description of this the lookup type, column settings, and then if you want this particular column to require the information, if you want to make it mandatory, like you can select it to yes, and rest we will select it to no, and enforce a unique value, we'll make it again the no. Now it will ask you get the information from. So if you will click on this drop down menu, there are all the document library and list which is inside this lookup column. If we'll go to site contents, these all the the document library or list type, here you will see those in this list. So we have used the information from our list, which is the name of details. So we'll select this name. This is our list details. So we have selected this information, get this information from this list, and in this column, like inside this list details, which column basically you want to use. So if you will click on this drop down menu, there are multiple number of columns which are there inside this employee name, contact, and ID number. So here there is employee name, contact, and ID number. So I will select employee name. So here in this column, if you want to allow multiple values, you can just simply check this box, else you can make it unchecked. And then there is a allow unlimited length in the document libraries. You can check it if you want. Then apart from this, we have one more option, add a column to show each of these additional fields. Like you can, apart from this column, you can also select like multiple columns to show on this document library. So I will select contact and ID number as well. So you can check this box if you want to add this setting to a default view. And then there is a column formatting which we can do using the JSON. We'll not go as of now on this. And then there is a relationship. So here it is clearly mentioned, like a lookup column establish a relationship between the list item and this library. So when the targeted item, which means this list is deleted, cascade delete will delete all the related items on this list. So what we can do, we can restrict the delete and once we will restrict the delete, it will prevent the deletion of an item in the target list. It has one or more related items in the list. You can check this box and we can restrict the delete. Now we'll click on OK and it will show you the message. This column must be indexed to enforce a relationship behavior. Do you want to index this column? We'll click on yes. Okay. All right. Now we'll go back to our document library, employee data, and as soon as we will create our lookup column, you could see our 3 columns will be listed over here because rest of the 2 columns we have selected and we have checked the box for these columns. So now let me show you how we can do that. Like if I will select the radio button of this document, I will click on this details pane. Once I will enter the employee name, like you could see it is giving us the option to select the employee name from this column. So we'll select Bella, and once it is saved, you can see I have only selected Bella. So rest of the information also came on both the columns. So you can check it like Bella, and this is the number at the last, it's 121 and 103 is the ID number. So same here as well. Similarly, we can do for rest of our documents. So let me do it quickly. Okay, so now I have entered the employee name and the rest of the information automatically filled up for rest of the 2 columns, and that's how using the lookup column we have pulled out the value from list to this document library. Now there is one more interesting thing, like if this is a list of thousands and thousands of documents and you have there are employee name which are engaged on multiple documents. So how you can basically filter those? So you can just simply click on open the filters pane, and here you can apply the filter. Like I want to check how many documents are currently assigned to Happy. So once I will check this, you can see the results. Happy is associated with the 2 documents. Similarly, you can apply the filters on rest of the columns as well. So friends, that's how we can connect the SharePoint list and a SharePoint document library using the lookup column. So that's conclude our video demonstration. For more informative videos, you can check my other video links on the screen and subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more upcoming videos. I will see you guys in next video.